Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The area of a triangle with vertices a, b plus c, b, c plus a and c, a plus b is. Now we know area of any triangle with vertices x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is given by half into x2 into y2 minus y3, x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now we simply put the values over here. So required area will be half into x1 is a, y2 is c plus a minus y3 is a plus b plus x2 is b, y3 is a plus b minus y1 is b plus c into y1 is b plus c minus y2 is c plus a, which is equal to half into a multiplied by c plus a minus b will be plus a minus a will be cancelled out. So c minus b multiplied by c minus b. Similarly, b into a plus b minus b minus c. So plus b minus b will be cancelled out and we are left with a minus c, and c into b plus c minus a. So plus c minus c will be cancelled out. We are left with b minus a. So this will be half into AC minus AB plus AB minus BC plus BC minus AC. So plus AC minus AC cancels out, minus AB plus AB minus BC plus BC. So this is equal to 0 square units. So we get area equal to 0. Answer is option B.